Hello everyone, welcome today, Chinese New Year, Year of the Tiger, in today's newspaper of Wednesday, February the 2nd, 2022. We have here three regular Sudokus. Sudoku number one, binary. Then we have a regular Sudoku medium and a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. And in today's newspaper there is also an additional with 6 extra puzzles. Yes, tectonic, the 3 stars, the 2 stars, letter Sudoku, tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. So a lot of puzzles today. 6 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. But also, of course, these 3 regular Sudokus. And the first one, a binary, will be number 4065. Yes. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Then, yeah, I'm thinking. How about? Well, we have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this first row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. Okay. Then. Between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, the second O, the third O, the fourth O, and the fifth O. So this box should be a 1. Cannot be an O. Okay. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, the third O, the fourth O, and the fifth O. So this box cannot be an O. This box should be a 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Yeah. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Overlooked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Well. And now 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, Then we have 4 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. If I place number 5, the 5th O here. Oh wait, not here. Here. Then we still have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Finished in 6 minutes. Alright. Without any comparing. Yes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 regular Sudokus, a puzzles, medium Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku. Alright, thank you for watching, and I will see you very soon. Until then, bye bye for now.